Vidura College, Grade 3, Environmental Studies, The Earth and the Sky. Hello children, how are you all? Do you know what a vault is? Yes, it is about the earth and the sky. First, let's learn about the earth. The earth is the planet on which we live. The earth is the third planet from the sun. It has a solid and active surface with mountains, valleys, canyons, plains, and so much more. The earth is special because it is an ocean planet. As you all know, water covers 71% of Earth's surface. Now let's learn some important facts about the sky. The sky is the region of the clouds or the upper air, the upper atmosphere of the earth. It is the space above earth seen by looking upwards. This is what we are going to learn today. The earth's surface, landforms, changes in the land due to human activities, wind, observation on how wind affects the environment, difference between the daytime sky and the nighttime sky, animals and flowers active in daytime and nighttime. First, let's learn about the earth's surface. The earth's surface is a part of a land where we are standing on. There are natural features and human-made features that can be seen on the earth's surface. Let's see the natural features first. They are puddles, hills, grassy areas, and places with soil erosion due to rain. Secondly, let's look at the human-made features. They are cement sidewalks, gardens, sports fields, paddy fields, and flower beds. Now let's learn about the landforms. Landforms can be found on the surface of the earth. They are mountains, plains, hills, valleys, and deserts. Have you noticed changes in the land that have happened due to human activities? There are some changes in the land that can be observed due to bad human practices. Look at the table below, children. Let's see the changes that have happened with the damage caused. Near the taps, around toilets, and near the rain gutters, soil erosion can be seen. In garbage disposing areas, it stinks and water gets collected in polythene bags. When the excessive water gets accumulated around the houses, cracks and damages can be found in the foundation and basement walls. To stop this, basins can be kept to collect the excessive water that is fallen down the spouts in order to protect the foundation and the basement walls of the houses. Now I am going to teach you all what wind is. The wind is moving air. The wind affects the motion of objects in the environment. Therefore, humans use the wind to fulfill their needs. Following are some examples. To dry clothes, to generate electricity, to fly kites, and to sail boats. Now let's observe how wind affects the environment. Dried leaves, polythene, and papers are moving with the wind and they are spread all over the ground. Flags are swinging in the air. Branches and the leaves are moving. Hora, Monera Kudumbia, dandelion, and cotton wool seeds are carried by the wind to faraway places. The sudden change of the direction of smoke with the wind. Wet clothes get dried by hanging in windy areas. I am going to teach you about the daytime sky and the nighttime sky. Daytime sky. As you all can see in the picture, the sun is shining so brightly and the sky is very bright during the daytime. Nighttime sky. As you can see in the picture, the moon appears, dark clouds can be seen, and blinking stars appear in the sky during the night time. Now let's learn about the animals and flowers active in daytime and nighttime. First, let's learn some daytime animals. Daytime animals are called as diurnal animals. Examples for diurnal animals are squirrel, songbirds, cow, and parrot. Now let's learn some day-blooming flowers. They are temple flower, rose, sunflower, and orchid. Now let's learn about nighttime animals. Nighttime animals are called as nocturnal animals. They are fox, owl, bat, and hedgehog. Now let's learn some of the night blooming flowers. They are gardenia, evening primrose, moonflower, night blooming water lilies, and night blooming jasmine. So children, that's all for today. Today's lesson was interesting, wasn't it, kids? I'll meet you soon with another lesson. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.